wenzao basi wanajulikana kama Green Eagles.
Kwiragwo Muthenya ekaga make gwatuka na ndeto ino ndina cenjia thiini wa mubango wa gucokia kwa maratathi ma igoti kuria Akenya aingi monekanire marite raini makigeria gukinyaniria undu uyu.
And we can't promise any extension. And for your information, when I'm talking to my friends here, they tell me, are you extending? If yes, we will all go home and come the last day of the other closure. So I think it's good that we clear this and we start afresh.
Rere dirisha cia hakuhi kuhingwo cia gucokia kwa maratathi ma kuriha magoti. Akenya ni meyumiririe na njira nene nigetha matikahurwo ndoco ya muigana wa ciringi 20,000 kuma iria yariho ya ciringi 1,000.
We also appeal to Kenyans to know that they have from January to June to be able to file these returns. They don't have to wait until the last week or the last 2 days of June to come and file the returns. This is a continuous process which runs from all the way from January to June.
Ginyagia umuthi ruhonge rwa urogoti wa magoti guku bururi-ini ni ruo KRA rukoretwo rukiamukira makiria ma andu 90,000 undu uria utumite mongerere mathaa mao ma uruti wa wira.
The system is working so well and therefore people are served as fast as possible. Last time there were hitches because the system was still new. But now there's quite a lot of improvement.
Nao ta mutugo Akenya matingiaga itumi cia kiria gitumite makinye ndagika ya muthia.
Mimi husema pengine wakipenda kwa last minute ni sababu ya nafasi. Alafu pia pengine wanaona muda bado uko mwingi. Kama mimi nilikuwa naona time haitafika haraka. Ndio sasa inapata imefika. Ndio ikabidi nimeng'ang'ana kufika na huko.
Ruciu ariguo muthenya wa muthia wa mweri uyu niguo muico wa gucokio kwa maratathi maya. Riu kuri mundu o wothe uri utatwarite riboti yake ya kuonania urihi wake wa igoti kuri ruhonge rwa ungania wa igoti guku bururi-ini ena nginyagia muthenya wa ruciu akorwo atwarite riboti iyo kwaga uguo egukorwo akihurwo faini ya ciringi 20,000. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Jenga wa Waboi.